Imagine this. You walk into a party. Across the room, there's someone you find incredibly attractive. They haven't even spoken a word, but you're already drawn to them. How is that possible? It's all in the body language. Science tells us that up to 93% of communication is nonverbal. That means the way you carry yourself, the gestures you make, and even your posture can make or break your first impression. So, let's dive into these hacks and turn you into that person everyone is magnetically drawn to. But first, if you find any value, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support the channel. 1. Eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in your body language arsenal. It shows interest, confidence, and connection. When you make eye contact with a woman, it signals that you're engaged and paying attention. But don't just stare blankly. There's a fine line between confident and creepy. Practice maintaining eye contact for a few seconds longer than you're comfortable with. Look directly into her eyes, then glance away briefly before returning your gaze. This shows that you're interested, but not overbearing. 2. The magic of the smile. A genuine smile can light up a room. It's warm, inviting, and instantly puts people at ease. Smiling releases endorphins, which make you feel good and project a positive vibe. Women are naturally drawn to positivity and happiness, so never underestimate the power of a simple smile. Practice smiling in the mirror. Notice how your eyes crinkle slightly when you smile genuinely. Try to bring that same natural smile into your interactions. Remember, a fake smile can be spotted a mile away, so keep it real. 3. Open body language. Crossed arms or legs can make you seem closed off and unapproachable. Open body language, on the other hand, signals that you're friendly and open to interaction. This means keeping your arms relaxed by your sides, facing your body towards the person you're speaking to, and leaning slightly forward to show interest. Next time you're in a conversation, pay attention to your body. Are your arms crossed? Are you turned away? Make a conscious effort to open up and face the person directly. This small change can make a big difference. 4. The art of mirroring. Mirroring is a subtle yet powerful technique where you mimic the body language of the person you're interacting with. It creates a sense of rapport and connection. When done correctly, it can make the other person feel understood and in sync with you. Start by observing the other person's gestures, posture, and pace. Gradually match these aspects without making it obvious. If she leans in, you lean in. If she uses hand gestures, use similar ones. The key is subtlety. It should feel natural, not forced. 5. Touch, but tread lightly. Appropriate, respectful touch can create a strong connection and convey warmth. A light touch on the arm or shoulder can make a big impact when done correctly. However, it's crucial to gauge the situation and the other person's comfort level. Begin with light, non-intrusive touches, such as a brief hand on the arm when making a point. Pay attention to her reaction. If she seems comfortable, you can gradually increase the frequency. If not, back off and give her space. 6. Slow down. Fast movements and speech can make you appear nervous or overly eager. Slowing down your movements and speaking in a calm, deliberate manner projects confidence and control. It also gives you a chance to think before you act or speak, reducing the chances of missteps. Practice slowing down your speech and movements. Take a few deep breaths before entering a room or starting a conversation. This will help you stay composed and project a relaxed, confident demeanor. 7. Own your space. Confident people take up space. This doesn't mean being obnoxious, but rather being comfortable in your surroundings. Spread out a bit, don't huddle into yourself. This shows that you're comfortable and in control. Avoid shrinking into yourself. Instead of sitting with your arms tightly folded or legs crossed, open up. Place an arm on the back of the chair next to you, or spread your feet slightly when standing. This shows that you're at ease and confident in any environment. Go out there and put these tips into action. You'll be amazed at the difference they make, not just in attracting women, but in every aspect of your social life. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content.